Aloha folks, welcome to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. On this video we're going to take a look at 3 companies that I'm looking at to possibly invest on. Hopefully you like these videos, you like these companies as well. As always, please remember this is not any financial advice. This is just me sharing the stocks I'm looking at. With that said, if you are new to the channel, just wanted to say welcome. If you are new to investing and you want to learn about which companies are good to invest on, whether it's dividends, growth stocks, or even penny stocks, you've come to the right channel. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos that I put out. I want you to join my little community of Ohana of investors as we invest together and make some moolah in the stock market. All right, let's take a look at the first one on our list. First one, Organogenesis, ticker symbol ORGO. This is a leading regenerative medicine company focused on development, manufacturing, and commercialization of solutions for the advanced wound care and surgical and sport medicine market. So you can see some of their information. As you can see, these are some of their products. You can see the surgical and sport medicine. You can see a little bit more on some of their products right here. As you can see, this one works for pressure ulcers, diabetic ulcers, and all that. Now let's take a look at tip ranks. As you can see, at the time of this video, it was $22. Their price target is $21.50 with 12-month forecast in the high of 22, the low of 21. Now if we look at their rating, you can see it is a strong buy based on 4 analysis. Now if we look at CNN business to look at the top institutional holdings, who are they? These are the companies. You can see I like to look for my 2 ones, which is Vanguard. They bought about 1 million shares. BlackRock bought about 222. And then I also like these companies. Renaissance Technology bought about 454,000. So as you can see, a lot of them have been buying, but the ones that bought a lot more is the Vanguard, Pura Vida, and then you could see this one bought about 5 million shares. Now if we look at Yahoo Finance, you can see PE ratio is pretty high, but if we look down to the earnings, you can see the earnings has been beats 3 out of the 4. The financials, you can see the financials have been increasing as the past couple of years. The revenue is 338, earnings is about 17 million, so that's good. We look at the trend. Again, the trend has been a strong buy to a buy. The rating is between a strong buy and a buy. Currently right now it is in the high end of 22, the average is 21. Now if we look more on the top institutions, as you can see, pretty much almost the same. You can see they bought Vanguard, BlackRock, Renaissance. So they have a whole bunch full of shares. Look at this one. This one has been buying heavily, about 41 million shares. So they're pretty bullish on this company. Now if we look at Webull, based on their 4 analysis, they rated it a strong buy, 70% strong buy, 25% is a buy. Now if we look down to their price target, you can see it's pretty much the same. Now if we look down to institutional holdings, there's only about 83, 31 increase, 25 are new, 4 decrease, and 4 sold out. So if you are ready to start your investing journey, check out Webull. There is a link in the description. If you use my link and deposit at least $100, you get a stock and I get a free stock. What better way to start your new portfolio by getting free stock? So definitely check that out. Link is in the comment section and also in the description. Now let's take a look at bar chart. Their price target is pretty similar, 22, 21 in the medium, 21 on the low. Now if we look down to the analysis, you can see they've been a bullish strong buy for the past 3 months, 2 months, 1 month, and currently they're still strong buys. So if we break down their ratings, you can see 3 are strong buys, so it's pretty much the same. They've been bullish the past 3 months for this company. Now if we look at the chart, as you can see, this is a 9-month chart. Again, The red is the 20-day moving average. The blue is the 50-day moving average. And this is a 9-month chart. Look at how beautiful this chart is. Very clean. It's an upward trend. It did pass the 20-day moving average here and a little bit of here, but if you look how beautiful it is, this is the 9 months. So the past 9 months, it's been an upward trend. If you look at the volume is steadily increasing as it goes, but it is pretty consistent. Now, if you look at the MACD did cross over here, and then it had a long upward trend, crossed in again, went back down, a little bit of cross here and across here. It did cross here. It looked like it might go in a downward trend. We'll see how that goes. And then if you look at the Rizzo, you can see it might go out into the overbought, but we'll see. It looked like it might go up or it might stay within this area. So we'll see how that goes. I definitely am bullish about this company. So this is something you're interested, you definitely want to do your research and make a plan on how much you want to invest on. And again, do your own due diligence and make sure you study it before you invest. Next on the list is Cambium Networks. Ticker symbol is CMBM. This is a company that provides wireless broadband network infrastructure solutions for network operations, including wireless internet service providers. So you can see on the website, they have all these products as well as providing internet access and stuff. So let's take a look at tip ranks. Based on tip ranks, currently it was 64 at the time of this video. Their price target was 53, so they already met that price target. Their high is in the 66, average is 53, and the low is 47. They also recommended it as a strong buy with 5 buys and 1 hold. Now, if we look at CNN Business, the top 10 owners of this company, you can see a little bit of here. You can see BlackRock did buy about 120,000. Vanguard bought about 60,000. Renaissance bought about 196. So these are the companies I always look at when in terms of institutional ownings or activities. Now, if we look at Webull, as you can see from Webull, based on 8 analysis, is rated as a buy. 20% of them said it's a strong buy, with 62% it's a buy. Price target is pretty similar, with the high of 66 and the low of 47. Now, if we look down, 116 institutional holdings, 27 of them can increase, 46 of them were new. There was a sold out of 6 and a decrease of 13. Now, if we look at NASDAQ, you can see based on NASDAQ, they also recommend it as a strong buy based on 5 analysis. And these are the firms that make all the recommendation. Now, if we look at bar chart's price target is also similar. 66 is the target, the 51 is the mean, and 28 is the low. You can see they're also bullish about this for the past 3 months, 2 months, and 1 month. So currently it is a strong buy based on 7 analysis. Now, if we break it down, you can see 6 strong buy and 1 hold. So now let's take a look at the chart. If you look at the chart, this is a 6-month chart. Again, the 50-day moving average is the red, the 50-day moving average is the blue, and the 20 is the red. So you can see a great clean one. It did cross the 50-day here. It crossed here, went up, crossed here again, hit another one. Now it's going back. Now it's bumping up. So I like this chart as well. Look how clean this thing up is. A steady increase upward trend. Again, this is 6 months. Now, if you look at the 9 months as well, you can see how beautiful that thing is. Look how beautiful. I just love it. These kinds of charts, I definitely look at and enjoy these kind of charts. Volume has been great too. There is a MACD crossover here, so it looked like it's going upward. Now, the Rizzo is in the overbought side, so it might be going up as well. But if you look at the history, it'll probably go up and then it'll probably come back down at some point. So Definitely something to put on your watch list as well. Last on the list is Aemetis, ticker symbol AMTX. This is a company that advanced fuels and renewable chemical company. They produce renewable chemicals and fuels using patent microbes and processes. So you can see from here, they an advanced renewable fuel and biochemical company focused on the production of advanced fuels and chemicals through the acquisition, development, and commercialization of innovative technology that replaces petroleum-based products by conversion of first-generation ethanol and biodiesel plants into advanced biorefineries. So interesting company, definitely for something for you guys to check it out. Again, if you are new to the, investing and you want to learn about some of the companies, go to their website, look for investors, and you see some of the information in there. So let's take a quick look at tip ranks. Time of this video is $23. Price target is 32 with a 35% upside. 12-month forecast rated as high 35. The average is 32 and the low 28 with a rating of strong buy based on 5 analysis. Now if you look at Cmbm Business, their forecast rated as a high of 40, a medium 35, and a low 28. Now their analysis recommendation is a buy based on 5 analysis. Now if we look at Cmbm Business, their top 10 owners, you can see Renaissance Technology bought about 629,000. This company, this capital management bought about 1,485,000. Vanguard bought about 338. I can't find the other one. I guess BlackRock is not one of them. So now if we look at Webull, based on Webull, based on the 5 analysis, rated as a buy. 20% of them said it's strong buy, 80% said it's a buy. Now if you look at the price target, the high is in the 40, average is 33, and the low is 28. Looking down their institutions, about 8 of them increase, 5 of them are new, 5 decrease, and then there is a sold out of 5. Now if we look at bar chart, in bar chart they have a high of 35. Their target, the medium is 32 and the low is 38. Now if we look at their analysis, they're bullish as well, strong buy based on 1 analysis. Now currently there was 3 analysis and they rated a strong buy. If you look at the ratings breakdown, it is a strong buy based on the 3 analysis. Now if we look at the chart, this is a 6-month chart. Again, look at how beautiful this chart is. You know, going up, looks definitely clean. You can see it did cross the 20-day moving average here. It hit the 20 moving average here, it hit it here, and then hit it here. So definitely a beautiful chart. Now if we look at the 9-month chart, you can see another beautiful chart. It's going up. So definitely if you would have bought it about here when it was only $2, you definitely made a lot more money. But I think this is one beautiful chart going up. The volume is not as solid as I would like. You can see here it's still pretty small. The MACD did cross over here, it crossed here, and then it crossed here, so it might be going downward. Now if you look at the Rizzo is in the oversold, so it might go on this way at some point. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. Please definitely do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. As always, please remember to do your own research, do your due diligence, and always make sure that you invest in companies that you like, that you understand. Thank you so much again. I really appreciate you guys. Please be safe out there. Stay cool. Keep investing, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next video, all right? Take care. Aloha.